amazing advice for a fun and memorable camping trip. Camping can be an extremely rewarding and enriching experience and something in which people of all ages can participate. But, to get the most out of any outdoor adventure, a bit of knowledge and planning can be critical. Continue watching the piece that follows, and you will be ready to venture into the wild in no time. When packing for your camping adventure, make sure you pack only what you need for mealtimes. If you are at the campground, your food will have to stay cold so it does not spoil. If you are on the trail, any additional or excess food can be a burden. If you pack just enough food for the time you are on the trail, you will not be weighed down by excess weight. Get a big enough tent to fit everyone and gear properly. Being stuffed into a tent can make it almost impossible to get any sleep, and you certainly do not want to be stepping on people if you have to get out during the night. If you're camping with your family, try finding campsites that are pet-friendly. This is a great way for you to get your animals out in the fresh air. Your kids will be happy to have your animals there with you, so it can be a great experience for all of you. When collecting wood for a campfire, focus on 3 different sizes: the finger size wood, that will catch fire right away, the arm size wood that will keep it going, and the leg size wood that will allow you to keep the fire going for a long time. Getting different sizes of wood helps you to start the fire and keep it going. The potential for camping trips to become memorable vacations that will be remembered long into the future is great. However, in order to be prepared for anything that may arise along the way, some advanced research can make all the difference. The preceding video should hopefully provide the right start for any aspiring camper. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.